Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, several nurses across the island wore full black in protest of delayed retroactive payments and a lack of communication surrounding it.
As Jamaica Maitland reports, the payments stem as far back as 2022.
If you visited any of the major hospitals across the island on Monday, you might have noticed some of the healthcare workers wearing full black. Sharon Banbury Edwards of the Jamaica Midwives Association explains why.
Based on the compensation package, some things would have, agreed on. And the financial year is coming to a close and we are still not settled where that is concerned. So there are some back money that is owed to us, and that's what we're dissatisfied about. And so today we are wearing black to show our dissatisfaction.
In a memo to midwives dated February 7, 2025, the Nurses Association of Jamaica, NAJ, the Jamaica Enrolled Nurses Association, JENA, and the Jamaica Midwives Association, JMA, declared Monday, February 10, Blackout Day, to send a message to the Ministries of Finance and the Public Service and Health and Wellness, as well as the regions, about the delayed retroactive payment. Dawn Marie Richards of the NAJ explained that extra hours worked remains an outstanding issue.
The effective date for new payment was August 1, 2024. The policy was disseminated in November of 2024. To date, the different regions and facilities have not implemented this policy, despite the fact that nurses continue to provide extended hours service.
The other is uniform allowance for the 2024-2025 fiscal year, which ends on March 31. The association say they have written to the head of the respective health regions. However, they've not received a response. Claudette Clark-Waugh of JENA says when they do get an update, it's inconsistent.
We are asking the Honorable Dr. Minister Tufton, Minister of Health and Wellness, and also Minister of Finance, the Honorable Favour Williams, to look into the situation, because at present the four regions seem to be operating as if they are four different ministries.
Acting Regional Director of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Lascelles Brown, says the agency is awaiting funding from the Ministry of Finance to make the payments. Chairman of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen, says the authority is also in dialogue with the Ministry of Finance to get funding to pay the nurses as well as suppliers. Neither were able to say how soon the nurses will get paid, but Mr. Brown from Sarah says a payment schedule is being discussed in the meantime. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.